With so many models and providers, which one do you choose for your AI application? At first glance, the free alternative might seem like the best choice, and models like Llama and the new Chinese alternative are very attractive for developing our projects. We can run it in our computer and we can create a small prototype of an application. But what happens when you decide to move that application to the web? The history changed. You need to manage container, establish secure access, implementing load balancer, and you have to make sure that your project is scalable. Now, imagine another option. You made a simple API call and in a matter of seconds, you get the response needed for your application. To better illustrate this concept, think of an application that automatically generates resume. Let's say that you have to run a small container. The daily cost could range between $5 and $10, which can translate to roughly $150 to $300 per month. In contrast, if you decide to work with providers like OpenAI and use a model like the 4.0 mini that offers 1 million tokens for 75 cents, and considering the average resume is used about 1,000 tokens, and imagine that 100 users generate one resume every day, your daily cost will be 0.075 cents. In approximately a month, that will be just $2.25. Now imagine that each user generates 5 summaries a day. Your monthly cost will be $11.25. My point is, maybe the best option is not the ideal one because at the end of the day, we want our application to run on the web and to be as easy as possible to manage. Even though there are more variables in the cost that could change, it's always essential to make an evaluation before making a decision. And this way we can choose the provider and model that truly meets our application needs. And that's exactly what we're going to work on this video. First, ensure you have access to the provider and the specific model you need. Some providers might offer a different model depending on your region, so it's crucial to check their website or online resource to verify which ones are available. Second, we need to make sure that the model produces the result we want for our application. To do this, we must test our prompt. In the last video, I explained why prompts are the heart of every AI application, and share a 4-step method to create prompt that yield repeatable results. If you haven't seen that video, I will include the link for you. Just pass your prompt across different providers, try different models, and see which result align best with your application. Step 3, look through the documentation. See if it's clear and easy to follow, check what example they provide, and see if they show you how to use the API in different programming language. Step 4, do a short estimate like we did at the beginning of the video. Think about how many users your ad will have and estimate how many tokens each user will need to generate a result. Also, check the provider's website for an accurate pricing, as they usually show costs based on 1 million tokens for input and output. Finally, do not forget to analyze the provider's level of innovation. Nothing is worse than being stuck with a service that does not update and limit your application potential. After all, the final decision is yours, and this step can serve you as a guide. Moreover, nothing prevents you to use different models and different providers in your application. The good news is as more competitors are, the more the price drops. However, if you are just starting out, I recommend that you learn to use ChatGPT and Google Gemini. In the next video, I'll explain why they're ideal for beginners. I'll show you how to obtain their keys and start interacting with their models and service. So remember, if you want to learn to create your own AI application, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.